Welcome to our deep dive into two of the most popular programming languages, Java and Python. If you're looking to start your coding journey or switch languages, this comparison will help you decide which one is right for you. Choosing the right programming language is crucial for your career path and project success. It dictates the tools you use, the communities you join, and the opportunities that come your way. Let's start by looking at the core characteristics that define each language. Java is a compiled language, meaning code is translated into bytecode before execution. It's also statically typed, requiring explicit variable type declarations, and generally more verbose in its syntax. Python, on the other hand, is interpreted, executing code line by line. It's dynamically typed, allowing for more flexible variable assignment, and its syntax is known for being concise and readable. Next, let's compare their performance aspects and how easy they are to learn. Java generally offers faster performance for large-scale enterprise applications due to its compiled nature. However, it has a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners, given its strict syntax and object-oriented paradigms. Python is typically slower than Java for execution-heavy tasks, but its simplicity makes it much easier to learn. This leads to faster development times, perfect for rapid prototyping and scripting. Now let's explore where each language shines in real-world applications. Java is a powerhouse for enterprise-level software, Android mobile applications, and big data processing, thanks to its scalability and robust ecosystem. Python excels in web development, especially with frameworks like Django and Flask. It's also the go-to language for AI, machine learning, data science, and various scripting tasks. Finally, let's consider the community support and career opportunities for each language. Java has a large and well-established community, providing extensive support and resources. Its demand remains strong in corporate and large-scale enterprise environments. Python's community is rapidly expanding, particularly with the boom in AI and machine learning. This translates to high demand in cutting-edge tech roles and versatile career paths. Ultimately, the best language depends on your personal goals and career aspirations. Consider what you want to build and which ecosystem excites you more. Happy coding! Thank you.